Arca Residency, a project owned by Arca Projects Private Limited, is one of the fastest growing construction companies in South India with an enviable assembly of superlative construction efforts. Based out of Hyderabad, Arca is the brainchild of a team of professionals engaged in developing modern day living and working spaces for the connoisseurs of more than 6 lakhs square feet, both residential and commercial in prime locations across Hyderabad. Arca's commitment to excellence is demonstrated by its portfolio of standout ventures including Arca Homes, Defence Colony, Arca Residency, AS Rao Nagar and Arca Vivek Residency, DD Colony. Its current and upcoming projects have already generated a lot of buzz in the market, building up tremendous expectations among the quality-conscious crowd. Arca's project blueprint includes Arca Sarovar at Gachibowli, a yardstick of Avant grade living in this part of the country. Location: Arca Residency is located in Manikonda, Hyderabad, one of the fastest growing construction companies in South India with an enviable assembly of superlative construction efforts. Located at Bachupalli near IBP Pump, opposite Sri Chaitanya. Some of the facilities besides the neighborhood are: the nearest school is Chaitanya School, just 2 kilometers from the project. The nearest college is GR Engineering College, just 10 kilometers from the project. The nearest railway station is Bachupalli Metro Station, just 5 kilometers from the project. The nearest police station is Bachupalli Police Station, 4 kilometers from the project. The nearest hospital is Medicity Hospital, 5 kilometers from the project. The nearest airport is Hyderabad International Airport, 8 kilometers from the project. The nearest bus stand is Bachupalli Bus Terminus, 7 kilometers from the project. Site plan: stylish apartments, homes that are built for more comfort, more space and more privacy, where they have designed 1535 to 1900 square feet of space to feel like a little more and enhance the privacy from both outside and inside. They have also spruced up the natural light and ventilation and create open green spaces around so that your children and their children one day can explore the universe in all its beauty. At Arca Projects, we believe, as you do, that the environment of your home enthuses your life. Thus, it always has been their endeavor to conceive dwellings with a difference. Features: RCC frame structure with TMT steel bars. Superstructure: light wet bricks in cement mortar with 2 coats plastering on both the sides with a sponge finish. Main door: polished teak wood frame with designed teak wood door of 35 mm thick with brass fittings. Windows are teak wooden frame and shutters with pinhead 4 mm glass and necessary powder coated hardware fittings and MS safety grills. Provision for AC vents in master bedroom window. Kitchen has black granite platform with built-in sink, ceramic tiles up to 2 height, flooring, big size marbles or vitrified tiles flooring in all the rooms, hall and dining green and yellow marble border. Toilets, lintel height, glazed tile tattooing with Khazaria or Johnson ceramic flooring, concealed GI pipes inside the bathroom. Water supply is adequate through borewell, municipal water connection provision in kitchen only. Lift is from Johnson or Cone and it's a 6-passenger lift. External staircases, common corridor and 2 points for each flat. Floor plans: for 3 BHK with a super built area of 1530 square feet with 3 toilets. 3 BHK with super built up area of 1900 square feet with 3 toilets. 3 BHK with super built up area of 1700 square feet with 3 toilets. 3 BHK of super built up area 1545 square feet with 3 toilets.